Right, I'm actually here second day, hence you've seen a change of clothes because I do change my underpants and t-shirts. And do you know what? These polo shirts, I've got multiples of those. So you might see me in the same colour, but I do have a number of them when I'm out and about. But I've just gone back over to the Soudal stand and I've pulled Aaron off, who you've just seen him do a bit of a promo for their Soudal products. But you might have seen Aaron on plenty of social medias and you probably go, is a bubbly kind of guy. And what's he all about? Now, I had a chance to talk to Aaron when it was quiet yesterday, and there's more to him about. There's actually more to Aaron than just meets the eye when it comes to being a promo guy. Can I say that?
Absolutely.
So I've said to him, do you mind if you want to just tell the public, the people who watch this channel, anybody else who's interested in more about Aaron, a little bit about himself, because I think you'll be surprised, or you might not be surprised. When he told me what else he does, it didn't surprise me, but I'll let him just tell us about himself because it is quite interesting. Aaron, thanks for talking to me. We've come off the stand. It's a little bit quieter. We're still at ScrewFix Live. You're a likeable kind of guy. I think there's more to you. We want to peel those layers of that, I was going to say onion, off you. Just tell us about yourself because you've got some interesting things that you do.
Love that. Well, thank you very much. Absolutely. So you all know me as Aaron, but actually that's AKA Skip is my real name. Everyone calls me Skip. It's a long story. I won't bore you with it. But you're probably all thinking, what else do I do? Well, I'll tell you exactly what I do. I'm actually an actor, musician, and filmmaker. And that's right. I play bass in 2 rock bands, actually 3 rock bands, actually. Tour the UK quite heavily. We've done festivals. We do regular gigs. But my main passions lie in acting and filmmaking, as you can probably imagine from how over the top and crazy I am. So I have my own film company called Wild Text Network, very heavily making my own comedy sketch show. This is my baby, my passion. If you like comedy sketch shows, reminiscing the old school 90s, noughties era, we're talking Fast Show, Little Britain, Bo Selector, you know, that kind of era, Smack the Pony, then you want to watch my show. Now, it's called The Bad Taste Show. It's called The Bad Taste Show for a reason. It's a little bit rude, a little bit crude. It's guaranteed to make you laugh. You might not like the taste, but it's going to make you giggle, okay? Big passion project of mine. We developed a stage show version of this show, and we recently took it to Edinburgh Fringe Festival, the biggest film festival in the world. And we didn't come back with 1-star reviews. We didn't come back with 2-star reviews. We didn't come back with 3-star reviews. I think you can see where I'm going with this. We came back with 5-star reviews, baby. We are taking this show to wherever it wants to go. We have filmed 2 pilot episodes, which are available on my YouTube channel, The Bad Taste Show. In fact, you can find The Bad Taste Show on every single platform known to man. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Just type in The Bad Taste Show. You can't miss it. It's a picture of a burnt piece of toast with The Bad Taste Show written in alphabetical spaghetti. Okay? 2 pilot episodes are out, and we are in the middle of filming an 8-episode series, which will be out on YouTube next year. The big plan is to try pitch this to networks next year. Hopefully trying to get myself a cheeky Netflix deal, Amazon Prime deal, you know, get myself on there, get out there. So that's kind of me in a nutshell. I work for Soudal. I love doing this, but I really love the filmmaking, the acting, and the music. I've got albums on Spotify. So I got a band called Terminal Fear and Hornblower Down. Both have albums on Spotify, which you can listen to, but also the sketch show as well. You can also see my other YouTube channel, which is Wild Text Network, WILDTEX. Loads of short films on there, horrors, comedies. I did like a short horror comedy film about zombies. We're trying to get out of a village. So yeah, loads going on. That's kind of me in a nutshell. I never sleep. I stay up all night, wired off my nut. Yeah, I guess it's kind of me in a nutshell, really. Any questions? Anything you want to ask?
I'm going to say I think you're going to get a Porsche quicker than I am because I think you're the guy that's going to get there. I'm just going to go back to the Soudal. What did you do before Soudal? How did you get Soudal? Clearly, you are Mr. Soudal.
I'm Mr. Soudal. I mean, that's what I'm going for. They need a mascot and they need to make it me. So I have been in sales like my whole life, in and out of sales. As you can probably imagine, I've sold everything from water coolers, telephone numbers, car insurance, you name it, I've done it. But then on the other side, I actually trained as a chef when I was younger. So I've actually worked in 2 kitchens and I ran my own kitchen for like 2 years. So before I actually had this job, I was a chef for 2 years. I came out of sales. I was like, I'm never going back into sales. I'm never doing it again. I don't want to do it. Like, I hate it. Did the chefing for 2 years. There are reasons why I left that job. I kind of ended up getting in a situationship with a waitress, which then didn't end very well. So I left. Just quit, went off, had no job. Didn't want to go back into sales. Was getting approached by obviously people looking at my CV. Went to a few interviews and I just really wasn't feeling anything. This came along and I'll be completely honest. I went in, did the interview. I didn't do very well. Even Michael will tell you that. My interview didn't go very well. They took a chance with me. I took a chance with the job. I didn't know if I was going to enjoy it. They didn't know if I was going to be any good. As soon as they put me on the road, I realised where my calling was. It's selling Soudal, baby, to the nation. Because I'm a people person. I got in the van, I just go out and start talking to people, start selling. Before you know it, it blows up. I get to do the videos, they blow up. I've got people coming up to me all the time going, oh my God, you're Aaron from LinkedIn. I'm like, yes, I am. And I just fell in love with it. This is the best job I've ever had. We've all got to have a day job. And as a day job, this is the best day job I have ever had. Love it.
How are you fighting off these yummy mummies who are wanting your autograph? I mean, I've had to virtually trample over these ladies that just think you're God's gift to sales.
Who says I fight them off? Eh? Who says I fight them off, okay? Give me a call, yeah? Give me your details. There's plenty of me to go about, don't you worry. Single mums,
Shall
give me
we
a
call
call.
it a day on that before we get too far?
Maybe
you know what? You are a star and you'll do very well for yourself. All I will say to you has been somebody a little bit older, just don't burn yourself out because life is very short. Enjoy what you're doing, but just be mindful that you've got a lot of years in front of you.
I get that a lot, and that's really good advice. So thank you very much. Appreciate that.
You're brilliant for talking to me like this. I think you're worth actually having your own little section on my YouTube channel of this on its own. So that's what I'm going to do.
You are
again.
Peace and love. Hey, and get following this dude. Show the love. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Show the love, man. Come on, we need more people like this in the world.
I'm here with a real celebrity now, real celebrity. Thank you.
Peace and love. Go on, peace and love.
Peace and love.
And love.
Peace and love.
We're talking about.
We go.